Launched in 2014-15, the Submission on Agricultural Mechanization, or SMAM, is a central scheme dedicated to modernizing Indian agriculture. Its primary mission is to reach the unreached smallholder, enhancing efficiency, ensuring timely crop operations, and reducing labor costs for farmers, women, and rural entrepreneurs. This video outlines the 5 strategic pillars of SMAM: promotion, financial assistance, infrastructure, high-tech hubs, and NER promotion. These areas are designed to optimize farm power through training, direct benefit transfers, and subsidized infrastructure, ensuring inclusive growth across all regions. From 2014 to 2026, SMAM has deployed over 9,400 crore rupees in central assistance, distributing more than 21 lakh machines to farmers. The initiative has successfully established over 27,000 custom hiring centers and 25,000 farm machinery banks, utilizing strategic cost-sharing patterns to support states and union territories nationwide. Kisan Drones are accelerating precision agriculture. With an allocation of over 52 crore rupees, the scheme has facilitated nearly 41,000 drone demonstrations across 40,000 hectares. Support includes 100% grants for institutional trials and up to 75% support for farmer-producer organizations to drive technology adoption. Finally, SMAM prioritizes inclusivity by earmarking 30% of total funds for women farmers. By targeting underserved regions and communities, the mission bridges critical infrastructure gaps, reduces labor drudgery, and sustainably boosts farm productivity for India's most vulnerable agricultural demographics.